What if I told you there's a simple, almost magical trick, one that's been hiding in plain sight right in your own home, that could transform the way your garden grows? Imagine using something as ordinary as a magnet, yes, the same kind you might find on your fridge or in a toolbox, to give your plants a surprising advantage. It might sound unbelievable, but magnets can actually help your plants grow stronger, healthier, and more vibrant than ever before. We all know the basics: good soil, rich compost, and plenty of sunlight are essential for a thriving garden. But sometimes, the most effective gardening secrets aren't found in expensive products or complicated techniques. They're simple, overlooked, and right at your fingertips. Hello friends, this is Casey with Casey's Baja Tours. I've lived and worked in Mexico for over 30 years, but I actually grew up on a dairy farm in the Fresno Clovis area of California. I spent years working in agriculture, took ag extension classes, and continued studying through college. So much of what I share comes from real hands-on experience. If you enjoy simple, practical ideas like this, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Subscribing is completely free, and it really helps the channel grow. And if you know someone who gardens or grows their own plants, go ahead and share this with them. It might help them too. Now let's take a closer look at how this works. By introducing a humble magnet into your gardening routine, you can give your plants a gentle, natural boost. This small step can make your plants more resilient to stress, and help them grow lush and full of life. The best part? This isn't about complicated science or expensive gadgets, just a practical, easy step that anyone, from beginners to seasoned gardeners, can try at home. You can magnetize the water you use for your plants, or treat seeds with a magnet before planting. These simple actions can give your garden a special edge, helping seeds sprout faster and plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. It's a completely natural, chemical-free way to encourage your garden to thrive, perfect for anyone who wants to grow healthy, organic produce without harsh additives. The results may be subtle at first, but they're real. Stronger roots, more vigorous growth, and plants that are better equipped to resist pests and disease, all thanks to a simple magnet. Sometimes, it's the simplest ideas, those we almost overlook, that end up making the biggest difference in our gardens. Why not give this easy secret a try and see the magic for yourself? I've spent my life learning from the soil, testing, failing, and discovering what truly works. My garden Longmeadow is a living journal of these lessons. Real gardening wisdom comes from hands-on experience, not just books. I've always favored organic, gentle methods that work with nature. Healthy, resilient plants are the goal, whether you're farming acres or tending a backyard. That's why I started experimenting with magnets inspired by old gardeners' tales. I tried treating seeds and watering with magnetized water. The improvements were gentle, but consistent. That's why I'm sharing this with you. So, how does it work? Let's break down the simple steps that can make a big difference in your garden's health and productivity. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this method is easy to follow and doesn't require any special skills or expensive equipment. The first step is to attach strong magnets to your watering can or garden hose. You can use zip ties or tape, whatever works best for your setup. The magnets should be placed where the water will flow past them as you water your plants. As the water flows through or past the magnets, its molecular structure is subtly altered. This process is sometimes called magnetized water. The result? The water becomes wetter, meaning it can penetrate soil and plant roots more easily, helping your plants absorb moisture more efficiently. With this improved absorption, your plants get better hydration and can take up nutrients from the soil more effectively. Over time, you may notice your garden looking greener, lusher, and more vibrant, but that's not all. You can also use magnets to treat your seeds before planting. Simply place your seeds in a shallow dish and position magnets above and below them. Leave them there for a few hours, allowing the magnetic field to work its magic. This exposure to a magnetic field energizes the seeds, often resulting in faster and more uniform germination. You'll likely see your seeds sprouting sooner and more evenly than untreated seeds. Treated seeds tend to sprout more reliably, giving your garden a stronger, healthier start right from the beginning. This can be especially helpful if you're working with seeds that are a bit older or have been stored for a while. For gardeners who want to make the most of every seed, especially those that might be past their prime, this technique offers a gentle boost that can make all the difference. By taking these small, natural steps, you're setting the stage for healthier, more resilient plants from the very beginning of their life cycle. There's no need for chemicals or complicated routines, just a simple, natural boost that fits right into your regular gardening habits. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. You might be surprised at how much healthier and more productive your garden can become with just a few easy changes. The benefits of magnetized water and seeds are most obvious early on, right from the moment you start your garden. When you use magnetized water to hydrate your seeds, you're giving them a head start that's visible within just a few days. The seeds seem to wake up faster, responding to the gentle encouragement of the treated water. Seeds germinate faster, and seedlings emerge sturdier, with thicker stems and deeper green leaves. The difference is clear when you compare trays side by side. Magnetized water helps create seedlings that look healthier and more robust from the very beginning. Strong roots develop below the surface, anchoring plants and helping them find water and nutrients. These roots are the foundation for future growth, allowing the young plants to access everything they need to thrive, even in less than ideal conditions. This early advantage means less transplant shock and quicker establishment. When it's time to move your seedlings into the garden, they adapt more easily, showing less wilting and bouncing back faster after transplanting. Healthier starts lead to more resilient, vigorous plants. These plants are better equipped to handle stress, resist disease, and grow steadily throughout the season, giving you a garden that's full of life and energy. You might notice a 10 to 15% improvement in growth and yield. Over time, this can mean more flowers, more fruit, and a more productive garden overall, results that any gardener can appreciate. It's not a miracle, but a real, natural edge. Magnetized water and seeds simply help your plants do what they're meant to do, only better and more efficiently. Combine this with good soil and attentive care for the best results. Healthy soil, regular watering, and organic practices all work together with magnetized water to maximize your garden's potential. Think of it as one more tool in your organic gardening kit, a simple, natural way to give your plants the early advantage they need to flourish all season long. Stronger plants naturally resist pests and diseases. Pests like aphids target weak, stressed plants, but vigorous ones are less appealing. Magnetized water helps build strong cell walls and better hydration, making plants tougher. I've seen fewer issues with mildew and other common problems in treated plants. Healthier plants mean less need for chemical sprays, protecting beneficial insects. This approach fosters a balanced, thriving garden ecosystem. It's not a magic shield, some pests will still appear, but infestations are milder and easier to manage. The difference is clear. Your plants go from surviving to truly thriving. That's the real reward for any gardener. Gardening is about learning and sharing, and I hope this magnetic trick inspires you to experiment. Try treating one tray of seeds or watering one pot with magnetized water. Compare the results. The best lessons come from your own hands and eyes. For pest outbreaks, remember a simple soap spray, just a squirt of washing up liquid in water, can help without harsh chemicals. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you being here. If you found this helpful, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from it. That really helps the channel grow. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to attach the magnets to your water hose step by step, so be sure to watch that one next. If you'd like to support the channel, you can visit my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. It's never expected but always appreciated. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Share your experiences and results with fellow gardeners. Our community grows stronger when we learn together. Subscribe for more tips and check the description for magnet recommendations and instructions. Happy gardening. Let's keep growing together.